Hey guys, what's up? Guess what? Have you ever wanted to make a viral video? Well, guess what? I have done the research. I have read the books. I have read the blogs. I have watched the videos. And now I'm a professional viral video creator. Guess what? My challenge today is to make the world's most viral video ever. Easy, right? Easy peasy. Guess what? I figure I'm going to help you guys out while I do it. So here's 5 tips to making a viral video. Woo! Oh. Whoa! Tip number 1, relatable. Be relatable. Relate to the peoples. Find some common ground. What are the people hungry for? For example, some people love Fortnite. Fortnite! 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 Fire in the hole! Fortnite! Some people love Marvel. Lightning! Lightning! Flash! Pow! Maybe I should watch the movie. I haven't actually seen the movie, so I don't actually know how it works. Some people really love like fitness and exercise and health and well-being. Alrighty, now you might be thinking that these muscles look fake as, but guess what? You've got another thing coming because they are so real. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Smiles, everyone. 4, 5, 6. Cry when you get home. 7. Yeah. A 1, 1, 2, 2. A 1, 1, 2. Next tip. Oh, how does this work? Next tip. Nope. Oh, this. Never be boring. You want people to fall asleep, do you? No, you don't want that. So you gotta make it interesting, exciting, random, maybe even a bit strange, but never ever be boring. Unless you're like really boring, that it's like so boring that people are like, whoa, this is so boring, but I want to watch it because it's so boring. I don't know if that would actually work, but maybe. I mean, you never know. What's trending at the moment? There's music. Dances are all over TikTok at the moment. Find out what's trending. Or you could just do what Mr. Beast and Dude Perfect do because they always seem to be trending. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, I think I'm right anyway. Go. Okay, quick. Breathe the fire. Die, dragon, die! If you like basketball, but you don't want to kind of like carry around the big basketball and the big basketball hoop, buy a mini one. How cool is this? And then you can put it on your front and be like, yes, slam dunk. How cool is that? Life hack for you right there. Did you see that? How many attempts? Like 3 or 4 or 5, but check it out. Bottle flips are in. Cats. Do you know how many funny cat videos there are on the internet? There are so many. Get some cats, put cats in the videos. This is just so beautiful. I'm the happiest I've ever been. 1 second. Begin with a strong and interesting hook. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe show them a sneak peek of what is to come. Be creative. Most people's attention span is not that long. So if they see something interesting at the start, they hopefully will want to watch the rest of the video. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Woo! Yeah! Woo! Guys, I have merch! Merchandise! It's got my face on it! You can order yourself one of these if you just go and order it from the merch shop, which I haven't actually created yet, but if you've ever struggled to make a video go viral, well, I hope this might help you. And you know what? It might help me too if it goes viral, because then, yeah, if you like it and stuff and share it around, it might go viral for real. How cool would that be? That'd be so cool. It's kind of like generosity, because when people are struggling, when we're generous towards them, it can really help them out. When your community is struggling, if you're generous to others, they can help you out too. It helps everyone. What helps you helps me. This has been the most viral video challenge ever. See you guys next time. Bye. Cut, please, cut. Thank you.